Okay, so one of the biggest problems with creating social media content or content for your YouTube channel or something like this, or even if you're asked to do a presentation, is finding the ideas, finding the style that you want to use. And that is where things like templates can come in. And this is Canva, which you can see here. And this has a huge number of templates that you can use to give yourself some ideas going forward. Now, you don't have to use the templates as they are, and I'm going to show you how you can tweak them or adjust them to fit your own personal style or the message that you want to send. So first of all, this is the template section. You can see at the bottom here, I've selected templates down at the bottom corner. So if you go up, there's two ways to do it. You can do it by sections like this. So you can have pink, birthday, music, Chinese New Year, love, business, that kind of thing. You can pick it by category, or you can simply go down and see what they have. So you can have things that you might like. These are logo designs. New things that are going on currently in Canva. You can have Instagram posts, stories, Instagram stories, posters, logos, Facebook posts. You can do it like that. Or if you touch the three lines at the top corner there, this will then also give you the breakdown of each one as they are like that. So let's say for a just a test here, we're going to go for Instagram stories. So I'm going to pick this first one here. So this is the template, and obviously all of the information is fake. You know that there's nothing actually makes sense in this. But what you can do is you can change it. You can alter any of this to suit your own personal needs. So you can tap on the words here, and you can type in whatever you want. All you need to do is click on edit, and then you can adjust this to type in whatever you want to change it, and then you can come out of it. So, and also all of these elements can be changed and adjusted, every single one of them, including this, the background color. So if you can see here that it's got color, if you touch on that, you can then select a different color if you don't particularly like that one. So you could go for something a little darker like that, or you can change it around, or if you can go for something completely different, a bold color like that. You also have the option of gradients, which you can have on here. So you can set a gradient color if you think that might make it stand out a bit more, or it matches the color theme of your presentation or of the products you're selling, whatever it might be. And you can also change things around. So if you don't want to have this picture quite as small, you can make the picture bigger, and you can adjust it around, or you can make it smaller and just have it over in one corner like that, or have it in the middle. Wherever you want it, you can put it up in the corner here like that. You can change the template to fit whatever you particularly want. Now you might say, well, what's the point of having a template if you're then going to change it? Well, the truth is that obviously templates are there purely to give you some guidance to what you may want things to look like, because it can be very difficult when you're starting from scratch to come up with the ideas. So what the template does is it gives you a baseline, an outline of what you want to achieve, and from there you can then go on, change it, add things, take things away, until you're happy with everything that you've got there. So if you don't want to have a picture at all, you can just touch it, click the delete image, or you can delete the grid. I'm just going to delete the image, and you can see there's still the grid there, so you can replace it with something else. If you don't want that either, you can delete that as well. So it's all there for you to change and move around, manipulate whatever you want. And that is the great thing about templates. And at the bottom here you can see you can do all kinds of things. You can also animate it. So for example, if you I'm just going to reverse that back to when it was a picture. You could do that using the redo arrow at the top there. So let's say we want to have this as a moving image. We want to have it on like a video or something like that, or something that's like a keep going round and round and round. You can have it zoom, so you can have the photo zooming in, or if you just touch the whole thing in general, you can have the whole thing zooming in like this, or you can have the whole thing fade in, or pan from one side, rise from the bottom. All of these different options are there for you as well to give your content a little bit of a pop, a little bit something different, something that catches the eye of the person who you want to engage with. And that's pretty much how you use templates. So there's so many different templates here on Canva that you can use. Let me know down in the comments if you've used a template for something that you've been wanting to do. Which one have you found to be the best, and which way have you altered it to make it look the best for you, and how easy has it been for you? Let me know down in the comment section.